Latha Organic Farming. Let us see EPF, entomopathogenic fungi, which causes diseases to the insect pests of horticultural crops. This is Lecanicilium lecani. Earlier it was called as Verticillium lecani. Mostly it infects sucking pests. Here you are seeing the insects affected with the Lecanicilium lecani, white flies and green scales. It develops a symptom like this, which is covered with a mycelium and spores. Lecanicilium lecani causing infection to the aphids and millibugs, you can see here. Next entomopathogenic fungi is Bavaria bassiana, which is a broad spectrum. Actually, Lecanicilium lecani or Verticillium lecani, mostly it is recommended for the sucking pest. But when it comes to the Bavaria bassiana, it is a broad spectrum one. It is recommended for many insects like sucking pests, mites, larvae, hairy caterpillars, larvae of moths, butterflies. In this way, for many insects, it is recommended. It is also recommended for beetles, thrips, armyworms, whiteflies. It is a very broad spectrum entomopathogenic fungus. Bavaria bassiana is a very broad spectrum entomopathogenic fungus which is recommended for many pests. Metarhizium anisopliae, mostly it is recommended for the grasshoppers, weevils and beetles. Even for the root grub and all, it is recommended Metarhizium anisopliae. You can see the beetles affected with the Metarhizium anisopliae. You can see the spore and mycelial development on the insects. Coming to the integrated pest management practices of these horticultural crop rotations, very important, that too with the leguminous plants to enhance nitrogen content. Most of these horticultural crops, they need huge nitrogen because harvests are very high. Apply mycorrhiza and plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. They give resistance also along with the supply of the nutrition. Applying trichoderma as seed and nursery treatment, which is very important to control diseases like root rot and damping of such diseases. Pseudomonas fluorescens also as a seed, nursery and soil application, which controls various diseases and gives resistance to the plants against insect pests also, including thrips. Promote trap catches for potato tuber moth, Helicoverpa, Spodoptera. Coming to the traps, pheromone traps for pests wherever applicable, like potato tuber moth, Helicoverpa, Spodoptera, Lucinodes, brinjal fruit and shoot borer, and yellow, blue, sticky traps wherever applicable, light traps using it attractant plants like cowpea, carrot, dill, sunflower, buckwheat, French bean, alfalfa, mustard. Repellent plants like osmum, peppermint, border crops, sorghum, maize, bajra to control entry of sucking pests. Intercrops, maize, coriander, onion. When these crops are used as the intercrops, the pest movement is restricted. Use of the parasitoids like bracon, Apantylus, Xanthopimpla, and predators also. Now, Chrysoperla, many farmers they learned the technique of rearing these Chrysoperla coccinellids, reduit bugs, and all. Those are commercially also available using these predators. Entomopathogenic nematodes like Steinernema and Heterorhabditis, which controls many pests of the horticultural crops. Application of neem cake and neem seed kernel extract, neem oil. These things also plays very important role in killing the eggs of the pests. So biological control agents are also available for white flies. Parasitic wasp and Cartia is available. For serpentine leaf miner, parasitoids are available. Spider mites, predatory mites. These also farmers are learning the technique of rearing predatory mites like amblycius, phytocillus species. Technique is very simple, using banana leaf. On banana leaf, putting some mites, and over that predatory mites. And these mites develop by consuming the banana leaf, and the predatory mites, they develop by consuming the mites. And down, some water is to be provided below the banana leaf, so that the leaf will be fresh without drying. Thrips predatory mites also works on thrips. Various soft-bodied insects and eggs can be controlled with the ladybird beetles. We have seen various species of the beetles like coccinella and Chilominus, bromoidus, and these species. Various soft-bodied insects and eggs also can be controlled with the lace wings also. So with this, I am completing this horticultural crop session. Thank you. Signing off, Sree Latha.